Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Verify which Python versions are installed by opening Settings Apps or Control Panel. This avoids removing the wrong install. Once confirmed, close all editors, IDEs, and terminals so files aren't locked. Next, open Start, type Apps and Features, and press Enter. That opens the uninstaller list immediately. Make sure to sort or search for Python so you see each entry, Modern Installs list version numbers, which helps you choose the right uninstall action. Now, uninstall step by step. Click a Python entry, choose Uninstall, and follow the on-screen prompts. Some installers ask to remove shared files, except if you're removing all Python versions. Once done, repeat for Python Launcher and any matching entries such as pip or tools. Make sure you remove both 32-bit and 64-bit versions if present. If an installer asks about removing path entries, except so your command prompt no longer finds Python, that prevents conflicts later. Finish by cleaning residual files. Open System Properties environment variables and remove any Python paths from path. Then delete leftover folders like C, /users, /u, /appdata, /local, /programs, /python, and C, /program files, /python if they remain. Once done, reboot to apply changes. If an uninstall fails, run the original installer and choose Repair. Then retry Uninstall. That fixes corrupted uninstallers. If you still see Python in terminal, make sure you removed path entries and reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.